In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom follow-up intents in Dialogflow. By the end, you'll know how to guide a conversation from a parent intent into a tailored follow-up that listens for exactly what the user might say next. First, open your Dialogflow agent. Make sure you're in the correct project where your bot lives. We'll be working inside that agent's intents. In the left menu, go to Intents and select the parent intent that should naturally lead to a follow-up. This parent is typically the part of your flow that asks a question or prompts the user for the next piece of information. Take a moment to confirm that the parent intent's final response sets up a clear expectation for what the user will say next. That clarity immediately improves training quality for the follow-up. Now, hover over the parent intent in the list and click Add Follow-up Intent. A small menu appears. Choose Custom instead of the predefined Yes, No, or Cancel options. Custom gives you full control over the kinds of user messages you want to recognize. Dialogflow automatically links this new intent to the parent behind the scenes, so you don't have to manage the contexts yourself, and the conversation stays on track. With the blank follow-up intent created, define your training phrases. Think about what users might realistically say right after the parent's prompt. Add short and natural variations, including casual phrasing, synonyms, and a few likely misspellings or shorthand. If the parent asked a question, mirror the language a user would use to answer it. Keep each phrase focused and representative rather than overly scripted. The goal is to cover intent, not every possible sentence. Next, write the response that this follow-up should trigger, or, if you need dynamic content, set up webhook fulfillment. Use a static response for quick confirmations or straightforward instructions. If you need to look up data, personalize content, or perform actions, enable fulfillment and handle the logic in your webhook service. Remember that parameters captured by the parent can carry into the follow-up, which is useful when you need to continue a context-aware path. When you're satisfied, save the intent. Dialogflow will begin training automatically. Wait for the training to complete before you try to use it, as changes won't be reflected until that process finishes. You'll see a brief status indicator while it updates. That's it. You've linked a parent intent to a custom follow-up, defined what users might say, provided a response or fulfillment, and saved your work so Dialogflow can learn it.